I just got home from work and this is my kitchen. It is a complete mess. I don't even know how this happens because it was cleaned this weekend and then things just start piling up. It really started to pile back up when we went shopping on Monday and we put away all the cold things, but then we didn't put away all of the not cold things into the pantry. So that's gonna be the first thing that I need to do. And then I need to just like clean and organize the rest of it. There's actually not a lot of dishes. I did put the dishes in the dishwasher, yet I keep forgetting to actually turn the dishwasher on. I'm Nikki and this is my series of getting my shit under control. I'm trying to get my house cleaned up. We're gonna start cleaning it room by room together, and then we're gonna keep a cleaning routine and we're gonna keep it clean. So after I get this clean today, we're gonna make sure that it stays clean and it doesn't just get cleaned and then piles back up the next day, because that's what always happens. This is what my kitchen looks like. I'm actually gonna take you on a tour of the exact mess that we are dealing with today. Okay, so this mess here is leftover from Valentine's Day. And actually my 9-year-old made this mess and has yet to clean it up, which means that I am expected to clean up after her, which drives me absolutely insane. Then we have some taco shells that need to go in the pantry, a dirty pizza pan. This sink actually isn't that bad. There's not a lot of dishes. I can clean those up pretty quickly. And then this is the bulk of the mess. So this is all just stuff that needs to get put away into the pantry. It's not even that bad, but because we didn't put it away in the pantry, it's just like turned into this giant mess. And then I have my roses that need to go in the trash now because they are dying. And that's pretty much all it is. It's not like it's so much that it's absolutely disgusting. And then we have all of these down here. These are boxes that my husband is supposed to take out to the recycle bin that he has not taken. But I just come home from work and I'm so exhausted. So let's go ahead and just clean. The reason why it's so hard for me to share this is because when people see a messy house, the first thing they think is that, oh, she's just lazy. She doesn't want to clean. She just wants to sit on her ass and watch TV all day and not clean anything. And that's just simply not the truth, because I don't even watch TV. I am constantly working. It is not about being lazy. I am not lazy. I wake up every single morning at 6 a.m. I get 2 kids ready to go to school. I pack lunches if they need it. I get myself ready. I take myself to work. I am a teacher. I work with 29 sixth graders all day, every single day. I work 40 plus hours per week. I am not lazy. I come home. I am exhausted after a long day of working, and I sit down for literally 30 minutes and then I get up and I cook dinner. After I cook dinner, I spend time with my kids. If they need help with homework, I help them, which my 9-year-old never needs help with homework because she's smart as heck. But my 5-year-old doesn't have homework yet, but maybe he will soon, and he might need help. But I'm there if they need the help. And then I get to work. I literally work on social media all night, every night. I am working almost every single hour of the day. And what that just means is that the cleaning is just not the first priority. It literally just doesn't get done because I don't have the time. It's not because I'm lazy. I barely stop. I don't even watch very much TV. I have a couple shows that I love to watch. I'll watch an episode here and there. My husband and I have some shows we watch, but we'll watch one episode and that's it. And the rest of the time, I am working the entire time. It's not about being lazy. It's about priorities. And if I'm being honest, my house just hasn't been a priority. And on top of that, my house gets destroyed in a matter of seconds. My 5-year-old decides to bring everything in his room into the living room because he refuses to play in his bedroom. My 9-year-old literally makes a mess everywhere she goes. She does not know how to clean, and I blame myself 100% for that. For example, just now I told her to clean up the mess that she's sitting at right now, and she has yet to clean it up. It is still sitting behind her, even though I've told her to clean it up. The house gets destroyed so quickly. I can clean and clean and clean, and it's still going to get destroyed. So as soon as that overwhelm hits, I just freeze. I don't know what to do, honestly. It's so much that I just completely avoid it at all costs because it's just too much. But the problem with that is that it causes my anxiety to raise, and I know that I need to get my house under control. I know that I need to keep it clean so that my anxiety can just like be a little bit less outrageous, right? Because the overwhelm, the anxiety, it's just going to cause me to shut down, and I don't want that. It just gets worse and worse. And I know I'm not the only one that's overloaded. That's why I'm here sharing this with you. I want to take this house room by room and get it under control, and then keep it under control. It needs to be a priority, which is why I'm just going to record myself doing it, and it's going to help me stay on task. I've lost 75 pounds. I've completely changed my body. I still have 40 pounds to go. I'm not where I need to be, but I have proved to myself that I can do things that I thought were literally impossible. I thought it was going to be impossible to lose the weight. I found something that helped me, a tool that made it happen. And now I am using social media as a tool to help me get my shit together, get my house clean, and stop living in chaos, because I want to become the best version of myself. And part of that is taking care of my house. Let me be clear. This is not about having a perfect home. This is not about aesthetics. This is not about what social media thinks that my house should look like. This is about what I want my house to look like and what the house should feel like when I come home. I want to keep things under control. I want to be disciplined. I know that I can be. It's just a matter of making it happen. It's a matter really of making it a priority. This series, it's really just about me taking the life that I already have and elevating it, adding in more routines, getting things under control. And right now, the first step is going to be to get my kitchen clean. I've taken very small steps to get my health under control, and I plan to take very small steps to get my house under control. This is not going to be a deep clean. It's not going to be Pinterest perfect. It's just going to be livable. I am not lazy. I am busy, but I am also capable. And if I want to be the woman that I say I want to be, then my environment needs to reflect that. And I think that's the big shift for me. Not having a spotless house, but having a peaceful house. All right, just like with my weight loss, baby steps. The kitchen is clean. We're going to keep it clean. We're not even going to talk about the rest of the house right now, but today's task was the kitchen. One thing done. And I didn't do the dishes just because once the dishwasher is done, I will put the dishes into the dishwasher and then start the dishwasher again. But that took less than 30 minutes. So right now the clock says 29 minutes and 45 seconds. So it took less than half an hour to get my kitchen clean. I can do that. That wasn't that bad. That wasn't that bad at all. And it's not like perfectly clean, but it's clean enough, right? It's clean enough. We got to get this house under. Part of becoming the better version of me is getting this house under control and keeping it under control. So here was step 1, video 1. Let me know what you thought. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.